Good morning. I don't think Sanne was planning on having a vlog today, but Jesus, that needs to come down. But why not? She's shooting today, so I think it'd be kind of fun to see it. Baby, so much light.
So today, one of my good friends, Jody Boland, is a makeup artist in New York City. And they're doing a campaign together with Cat NYC, maybe you know her from Instagram, where they photographing women and girls and with a red lipstick. So they're raising money to put together beauty boxes for all the healthcare workers who are working right now. So the idea is I'm gonna choose a couple of like red lipsticks, and then Jody is going to give me a tutorial on how to apply the perfect red lip, and then we will shoot through FaceTime with Kat, which is gonna be a lot of fun. So I have these three. What do you guys think? These are two from Ilia and this one is from Kosas. I really love these. Probably like a little in the middle. So yeah, it's kind of a fun project. We can do like whatever we want, wear whatever we want. And when I think about like red lip during quarantine, I think kind of about like this French woman who's super chill in her bra with like a red lip on, maybe for Zoom call or something.
Is that Charlotte Tilbury?
Yeah. I really love it. Which color is this? Legendary Queen. Look at this. I'm like, sure, Jody. I grabbed my red lipstick out of my little basket. So let's try to see if I have like a lip liner. That's cool too. Okay. Perfect. I set up everything here. My camera is ready and my mirror. So we're gonna do a tutorial. Let's call Jody. What's up?
Oh, I love you. You're so professional.
I know. Hi.
Hi, gorgeous.
So Master Jody is going to teach me how to do a red lip.
Can't wait. Very excited. Thank you, gorgeous.
I love that skincare stuck up at the back there.
Might have to do something like that later with you as well.
Bye-bye.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, I got my red lip on. It looks a bit crazy here because it's so bright in this room. In real life it's a little less bright. So now I'm gonna contact the photographer and we're gonna shoot her on the back. We put like a nice white background, so super cute.
So maybe
Are you in the kitchen?
Yes, I'm in the kitchen. So
what time does it get dark?
It's no light. It's a really hot light.
So Sanne's on the phone with one of our clients, and they're gonna do a IG live together. And so Isabella is a Michelin star chef. She has a restaurant with her boyfriend Floriano, who we also work with, and we've been working with them for about 4 weeks. And it's gonna be really cool to see Sanne go and cook with another Michelin star chef, because she did that with George at her little pop-up Amar in Soho last summer. Wow, time flies. But anyway, it's gonna be really fun. You guys should tune in.
What are you doing, baby?
I am trying to revive your plans.
We potted. Yeah, we should find constructions because look.
We need to cut this.
One? Yeah, we should cut it. This just looks very sad. Also, this pot is giant. So I ordered another pot and it just arrived from CB2. So I'm gonna repot that too. You're so cute there, little handyman. I have to say, this is the first time that I also really took care of the plants. I did my best. So the reason why we need to repot it is because you see it has like a lining, and also this is plastic and it needs to go into stone. Woo! Guys, this is an enormous pot. Another flop online purchase from Sanne Vloet. Just look at this. It is, first of all, it's plastic. Okay, it is breakfast time. I am going to make a quinoa porridge, which I try to switch this up between like oatmeal, sometimes a quinoa porridge, and I will show you guys how I'm making this. I put all my ingredients here. So the first step was actually super important when you do this, is rinse off your quinoa, because quinoa can sometimes have this like bitterness to it, and especially if you're using it as a breakfast dish, you really want to get rid of it. We're just gonna strain it Amazing. So I used about half a cup. For me, that is enough for quite a filling breakfast bowl. And the reason why I also switch up sometimes between oats and quinoa is sometimes I'm out of oats and I'm like, I have quinoa in here. And also, quinoa already has a lot of protein in there. So if you have a plant-based diet, if you're maybe vegan, I think this is a great way to get your proteins in without eating like any meat. So half a cup of quinoa. I have 1 cup of almond milk. If you make quinoa or if you make rice, always double the liquid. So if you have 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of milk. Always easy to remember. So we're going to add this. I should also not forget to put the stove on a medium heat. So quinoa does have a little bit more of a bitter taste than oats, so I do always put a natural sweetener in there like honey or maple syrup or agave, about like 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. This is also going to take away a little bit of the bitterness of the quinoa, but it's also going to bring out the sweetness I just put in there. To make it a little more sweet, what you can do is use dried fruits. I am obsessed with raisins, to put in banana bread, to put in my breakfast items in granola. So I'm also adding a couple tablespoons of raisins. And if you cook this within the quinoa, the natural sweetness of the raisin also goes into the porridge. So we're mixing it. Put the lid on there and it takes about 15 minutes until the quinoa is fully cooked. So waiting time. So as you can see, the porridge is already with the raisins in there. Then to bring it a little bit extra sweetness, I'm going to add some shredded coconut to this. This is a really nice combination with the quinoa and the raisins. And it is ready. So as you can see, half a cup of quinoa makes like a pretty good filling bowl actually. And this is also a really great recipe when you have like leftover quinoa from the day before. Just cook it with some extra almond milk and some raisins and coconut. There we go. I'm going to add also some fresh berries on here, just because I love fresh fruits and everything. And I'm going to add some homemade granola. Top it with some honey. And my breakfast bowl is ready. Doesn't this look amazing? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my recipe. We did the shoot quite early this morning because the light is always the best in the morning. So I had some breakfast afterwards. And today I'm just gonna hang out. I actually kind of got dressed up a little bit to shoot some content. I hope you enjoy watching this daily early morning vlog. And don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for many other cooking videos, fitness videos, and of course anything you would like to see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've recently been changing out my Instagram and I would love to hear from you guys if you like it as well. So hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys very soon. We're almost at 1 million!